Hello guys, welcome to Online Money Hunter where I teach you guys how to make money online. Today's video is a special one because I'm going to teach you how you can increase your earning, okay, on Pi network, how you can increase your earning. Do you know that you can increase your earning by doing this simple stuff that I'm going to show you right now, okay? Only thing I want you to do is just to like this video, comment in the comment below, share this video, and you can also destroy that subscription button, okay, destroy that subscription button by subscribing and turning on the notification bell. So let's go. Let me show you how you can increase your earning, okay. Let me show you how you can increase your earning on Pi network. So we need to locate Pi network. This is it. So we click on Pi, you leave it to load, allow it to load. So this is this. So what we are going to do right now is to increase the Pi network. So what you are going to do is by clicking on this particular place, you need to click on these three dots. So once you click on the three dots, the other place you need to go to this place, rules. You click on rules. Then you can come to this particular place, contributors. You click on contributors, okay. You can see build the security graph, mine at a high rate by adding other members to your security circles, enable the Pi network to secure transactions, okay. So you click on this view, you leave it to load, okay. This is my friends, okay. Those people, I don't even know that they are even mining Pi. The only way I noticed that those people are mining Pi is by doing this yesterday night, okay. I noticed that those people are mining Pi low. The Pi network, you won't mine much here, but once it is high, like 100%, you can mine a lot of Pi here. So what you need to do right now is, as you can see, I have a lot of people, but what you need to do here is to click on this add existing Pi, okay. You click on that. So as you can see, what you are going to do again is to scroll down. Those unverified, you can leave those unverified ones, okay. What you need to do, focus on the verified Pi users, okay. Focus on verified Pi users. So what you're going to do right now is to search for the verified Pi users. Watch, even this guy, I don't even know that this guy also part of us here, okay. And those people just hide this update without telling us, guys, see what is happening. Tomorrow now, those people will make a lot of money, and you think that they are doing Yahoo without knowing that they are doing legit business. Can you see that? It's unfair. I'll even call this guy. I'll call him because the guy is my best friend. I don't know that he will be mining Pi and he will keep, hiding it for me. So what you are going to do right now is to click on this add, okay? You click on add, you leave it. So you keep searching, okay? If you see the ones that tick good here, you know that you have added that person to your cycle. So you keep looking for those people. You have a lot of people like this in your contacts. The only thing you need to do is to search the way I'm searching. You even need more than 30, 40, 50 people, and you will notice that your Pi mining will increase from where it is to the next level, okay. You keep looking for it. It's very simple. You keep looking for it. Just look for the one that does not have something like unverified phone number, okay. Like this one now doesn't have unverified phone number. So I click on this, click on add, you leave it to load. I have added this person. So I'll keep looking for these people. Those my friends, I'll keep looking for them to be added on my list here. You keep looking, I have many of them. Like this one, I'll also add him. Those people are my friends. They are doing this pie without telling me. Is it fair? Just listen it. Is it fair? I don't like what I hate. Okay? Those people that I will quarrel with them. So can you see that? They are doing pie without telling me. It's not okay. I don't like that. So I'll keep adding all of them from A to Z. That's what I want you to do right now. Keep adding those people. Keep adding those people. No mercy. Keep adding them. See them. Even girls. Even girls. They are doing pie without telling us. Tomorrow now they will make millions. And you will think you will be asking God when. Can you see that? We keep adding them. Even Lawrence, my guy. You are even doing pie without telling me. Child, this is not good. So keep doing this. Remember, verified one will not look like this. Like this one is unverified one. They are all, you can add them if you wish, okay? But mostly you need to add the verified one. Those ones that did their KYC, okay? Those ones that got approved via KYC. So you need to add those people first before you can add the unverified ones. Or if you have many of them that did their KYC, you can add them. So see it, see them. My friends, I call them my friends, but see what they are doing to me. If not that I'm good in researching, I wouldn't know that this is happening. And tomorrow now they make millions. Please guys, if you are not doing pie, try and do pie. Try and do pie, okay? There's a lot of money to cash out here. Like I promise you that I will teach you a lot of things or a lot of way to earn more pie. The only thing you need to do is just to join me on my Telegram channel, chat me up so that we can discuss more about so many ways of making money online. You can subscribe to my channel and make sure you ask me questions. Okay, I'm there to answer you 247. I'm there to answer you. So there's a lot of them. I don't want this video to be that too long. So I think I'll leave it. See Richard though. Even Richard are doing pie. Chai, chai. A lot of them. They are doing pie without telling me. Is it fair? Judge this in my comment. Okay? Tell me whether they are fair to me without telling me. It's not proper. I don't like that. So I will call all of them. I'll call them. Can you see that? Try, you will see those, even your brother, your broad sister will be doing this pie without telling you. Tomorrow they will say that it's God, it's God. Hmm? God use people to bless people. Does it mean that God don't want to use them to bless us? If not because we do things on our own, we do our own research. See them, even Okoye. So please make sure you join us, subscribe to our channel, okay? So after adding all those people, what you need to do is to go and check your cycle, okay? To know whether how many percent your security cycle is. You go back, okay? Very strong, very strong. You still go back. Then come to this place. Can you see it? 100%. At least it will be mining more than it was before because you have added the ingredients, okay? You have added the ingredients, so it must add more, increase. Huh? Let us do this pie in peace, okay? Let us do this pie in peace. So I want you to rush now to chat me up, ask me questions. I'm there to answer you. So see you at the top. I still have more videos coming up, how you can verify your KYC, how you can become a validator, a lot of package, a lot of good and quality videos to share with you. I want you to rush now and subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you will be among the first people to watch my videos once I drop them. Okay, rush now, rush now. Just smash that subscription button. See you at the top. Bye bye.